Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best mirror dashcam. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, EASE. Super screen displays, ideal for watching HD movies, playing games, browsing the web, or reading the graphics with bright colors, and private detail maps views, all in this 10-inch. The display employs new techniques and technology to precisely follow the curves of the design, all the way to the elegantly rounded corners. To ensure 100% image view will be displayed in this 10-inch entirely mirror screen. It supports 2-camera lens. Front camera lens is about 170-degree wide angle and back camera lens is about 150-degree angle. Support picture-in-picture display. 2-camera lens are record simultaneously. A video save in TF card. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind. You are real-time driving and it will switch the rear view camera automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. This is all new technology for rear view mirror DVR. D13 is equipped with this advanced streaming media technology, makes the driving rear view angle more widely. It is triple wide view angle than the traditional mirror. It is not affected by obstacles or natural weather. DVR use HD to provide you with flawless images in rain, fog, snow, or even at low light level. You will be able to observe all the details with ease for outside or inside. Number 4. Brand name, Ventop. 10-inch IPS anti-glare touchscreen with 2.5D glass, features better color reproduction, displays the real-time traffic on road with no lag. User-friendly interface is easy to operate with fast responsiveness. Enhanced night vision with Sony StarVis sensor. Dual cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution up to 2560 into 1440 pixel, offer you much clearer footage capturing license plates from a distance. 170-degree adjustable front lens and 160-degree rear lens cover total 330-degree field of view to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. Backup camera shows rear view of the car by displaying high-resolution video streaming in the rear view mirror. When the car is put into reverse, the screen image will display park assist lines for safe and easy parking. Number 3. Brand name, OBD Peak. Mirror dash cam with a 10-inch full-view touchscreen provides crystal image without any delay. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent wide dynamic range and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Advanced driver assistance system with forward collision warning. Forward collision warning or collision avoidance is by far the most important type of advanced driver assistance system you can get in a dash cam. The sensors can sense the proximity of vehicles or other obstructions ahead, such as animals, pedestrians or roadway obstructions. Super night vision is very important. With driver fatigue, poor road lighting and intrusive headlights, accidents are more prone to happen at night. Smart rear view angle switch between driving and parking. You could see all further vehicles and objects clearly behind you while real-time driving, and it will lower the rear view angle automatically to give a closer backup image when parking. Number 2. Brand name, Janzite. 10-inch streaming media full touch screen dash cam super night vision. Upgrade both 1080 pixel backup camera and long camera cable. Our unique 10 meters back camera cable help you solve the short camera cable issue when installation. Both 1080 pixel front and 1080 pixel backup camera provide great video quality. No longer worry about not seeing clearly other license plates. Real-time transmission of images, full screen view. The mirror dash cam with wide-angle lens eliminates blind spots. Thoughtful and friendly user interface for you to operate. The brightness can be adjusted by slide left and right on the screen. Shot press power button to shut off the display screen, and also, here are some important recommendation to function settings for your daily using. G sensor level to low, loop recording to 3 minutes, motion protection to off. Analogy high definition of backup camera, both 1080 pixel front and 1080 pixel backup camera presents super night vision in low light conditions, and the backup camera display with guidelines assist you safe parking. Number 1. Brand name, VV Car. Mirror dash cam is equipped with 2.5K high definition front camera and waterproof 1080 pixel rear view camera. High definition resolution can bring you more dynamic details, and can achieve more vivid photos and videos. With a 12-inch full touch screen, it will bring you a more convenient control experience. IPS high definition touch screen, the front and rear roads are displayed on the same screen, and you can also choose to display the front or rear of the car separately. This dashcam uses the latest silicon automotive-grade high-end chip. The new chip improves the computing power and upgrades the optimization of image quality. The new architecture effectively reduces the operating power and heat generation, enabling more stable operation. By collecting a lot of customer feedback, we have optimized and upgraded the interactive interface of this rear-view mirror driving recorder to make its operation more convenient. And it can better fit your usage habits, so that you can focus more on your driving. f1.4 ultra-large aperture, the amount of light at night is increased by 3 times compared with the traditional f2.0 aperture, and the light transmittance has reached 99.99%. High-definition recording is also possible in backlight and forward light environments, and the front license plate is also clearly visible. Supports multi-level 3D denoising, removes motion smearing and color noise, supports strong light suppression and backlight compensation. Supports extreme light collection technology in wide dynamic scenes such as entering and exiting tunnels, night lights, etc. Makes the image bright and dark details better and provides excellent image effects even under low light. Easy to deal with various environments in rainy, foggy, and snowy days.